1926 Ford Model T Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Yes, these still do sell. That's a pretty common question around here. If we sell the Model Ts and Model A's yet? Absolutely. Fun cars for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. See them in parades a lot too. This one, as you can see, paint doesn't show too bad on this one. Still retains the inline 4-cylinder underneath the hood. 177 cubic inches, I believe that would be. Little patina on the front bumper. Still has the crank start up front, but it also has a battery start. So we're going to go ahead and use the battery start it a little bit later. Let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. If you want to see the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Interior, kind of a gray mohair or gray cloth striped bench seat. Door panels, headliner, nice shape. Vinyl roof shows its age a little bit up there. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. In the still pictures, you're going to be able to see in the trunk of it also. Rear mount for the spare tire. You can get to the battery through the trunk, and there is a battery disconnect on there also. And again, still pictures, check it out, uniqueclassiccars.com. So we're going to see all the still pictures. We have had this car out running and driving. Speaking of which, let's slip around to the passenger side here. It's a little easier for me to get in with the camera and the gimbal to get a little video of this starting up and running. So I have the fuel turned on. That's underneath the hood. We'll take a peek underneath there. I'm going to show you that here in just a second. So we're going to turn this to battery. Of course, down here is the starting switch. I'm going to push that with a foot. Here's the choke. I don't think we're going to need that. I should have everything pretty much set with the timing and got a throttle on this side. All right, fire it up easy. And again, choke right here. Slip around to the back, I guess, so you can hear this run. I think Jason's going to take this one for a spin through the parking lot too. Show you how it runs. I'm going to idle that down just a little bit. These are cool when you can idle them down. Let them sit and turn. All right, I can get this open, I think, one-handed here. There's the battery, or excuse me, the fuel shut off. There it is. Mags still up in this case here. Pretty cool, think of that. Built in 1926, still comes to life with a push of a button. How fun would that be for putzing around with? Like I said, your local shows, local roll-ins, parades. Just taken for a short spin or around town. 1926 Ford Model T Coupe. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1926 Ford Model T. We're going to take it around the parking lot just to show you how she works. Throttle is on the column on the right side here. Left pedal goes forward, center pedal goes backwards. I do have some rattling glass on the driver's side rear here. Amps are showing charging over 0 on the gauge for sure. Like most Model Ts, it runs really good, really simple, just puts along. Brake is the right pedal. Neutral is in the center of the lever on the floor. Get a little higher speed action. These will get up to speed at least in the 30s. And this one purrs along nicely. Beautiful paint condition. Nice shiny black fenders and cream colored center. Be sure to take a look at all the pictures and learn about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.